Hello everyone, in this video we are going to go through JavaScript foreign loop. The JavaScript foreign statement loops through the properties of an object. Let me give an example. Let's come in here and type script tag, and within a script tag I'm gonna type in here const person equals parenthesis. I'm gonna define here an object, and the properties would be fname colon Joan and comma, next line last name colon Doe under quotes and comma, and then age would be say 25. Now instead of logging on each of the property of this object, you can come in here and type for parenthesis, and I'm gonna type in here let x in person and curly braces, and I'm gonna log it in here, say x, and after x I'm gonna concatenate space, hit save, and we get fname, last name and age. Now the JavaScript foreign statement can also loop over the properties of an array, or I suggest that do not use foreign over an array if the index order is important, because the index order is implementation dependent and array values may not be accessed in the order you expect. It is better to use a for loop, a for off loop, or array dot for each when the order is important. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.